Hi guys, it's me again. I am sharing this week 2 Christmas cards and they are created with Basic Grey's Wassel paper. Now this is an older collection, but of course you can use any collection that you like. This is just to give you an idea. I hope to give you some inspiration to create your Christmas cards. Let's take a look. So first we have a tri-shutter card. So that looks like this. It would go like this into the envelope. And then you open it like this. Let me zoom out a bit. So there you go. So there are all these panels. You may have seen this before. This is not a new design, but it's always fun to do this. It looks great with all of the different colors and all of the different panels. You could add even some pictures onto these panels. You can decorate them as you see, like I have done here. So there's a bread here and a stickled die cut here, some flowers and die cuts. And here is another die cut as well. And then in the middle there, I stamped Happy Holidays in Dutch. So Merry Christmas actually, prettige kerstdagen. So yeah, this is a great fun design, and it also is ideal to use up all of your scraps if you have any of a larger project maybe. And then you do your writing just simply on the back. So there you can write your own greetings to the person. So that is the first card, a tri-shutter card. As for the second card, and there's a lot going on here on the front. So there's some flowers and a very large flower here. This is a Prima marketing flower, very large. I like it a lot. Now I added a lot of die cuts here of some Christmas leaves or some branches here, some pine tree branches, and I did some embossing. So let me open it up and show you the details here first. So I did some holly leaves embossing here, and then I added some gold wax. And that is what you see here. So it's waxed with gold. And I used the Kusa gold wax, but you can use any brand, of course, that you like. So it's a lovely effect, that. Okay, so you open it up and you will first open the left panel because this leaf here is sticking out. So there you go, it's like that. So here is a corner pocket, and there is a tutorial on my YouTube channel on how to mat these. I tucked a little Christmas label into it, a die cut here that I added, to which I added some stickles. Let me see. So it's a sort of a Christmas ornament here, elaborate. And here is a pocket with a punched border here, some pine tree branches. I tucked some Christmas tags into it. So you could add a picture here if you want to. So I used the gold wax here again, played around with it, and here as well. And here it's just a nice little Christmas what is it, a picture that I added to it and added some stickles around it. And here are some enamel holly leaves. Nice effect. And you just tuck them into the pocket. And there you go. And then here is the back. So this is all the Wassel paper, as I told you. And the die cut that you just saw of the Christmas ornament is the same that I used here. I like these larger die cuts because they can fill up entire panels. So yeah, these were the 2 cards. Oh, and here it says Noël, which is the French word for Christmas. And these are stickers that came with the Wassel collection. So I used them here. Forgot to mention that. So these were the 2 cards. Hope you like these designs. They are meant as inspiration. All right, and we're back. So these were the 2 Christmas cards. I hope you enjoyed the idea. I hope you found some inspiration to create your own. They are not too difficult. I have a free video tutorial on how to create these tri-shutter type cards. And I did some Christmas cards a couple of years before, and I did a video tutorial for this, so check that out. I'll put a link in the description and at the end of this video. And this, I don't think I have a video tutorial on that, but if you want me to do one, just let me know in the comment section. I don't know if that would be in time for Christmas, but I can do one if you want me to. So yeah, so enjoy creating your Christmas cards, guys, and yeah, see you next week. Bye bye.